plotting in color, very similar to plotting in monochrome drawing, with one minor change. I'd like to show that to you. But before I do that, I'd also like to present the different methods of getting to the plot dialog box. When I say printing or plotting, I mean the same thing. They are synonymous in AutoCAD, therefore I use them interchangeably. Getting to the plot dialog box, I can select File, Plot. Any text here followed by 3 dots tells us that we are going into a new dialog box or a new window. I can also select Control P from the keyboard. I can also select the plot icon from the toolbars. And finally, I can type plot or I can type print. And we get to the dialog box. As you can see, it has saved the previous settings from my last print. One thing I would like to point out is the Less Options, More Options button. When you load AutoCAD, it may be set to show you less options. When printing architectural drawings, it is always best to have it show all of the options. Nothing is changing here other than the plot style table. Instead of selecting monochrome, I would like to select acad.ctb. And again, most of these are going to be preloaded when you install AutoCAD. Requesting if it should assign this plot style table to all layouts, I will respond yes at this point. Going into the Edit window. The difference here is that the colors are now set to plot based on their color. In other words, red will try and plot red, yellow will try and plot yellow, and so on, all the way down to the last color. If you're printing to a monochrome printer, what will print out appears to be grayscale. In other words, the color printer is trying to send a grayscale color to match red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and so on. But if you're printing to a color printer, then the colors will apply, and it will give you a nice looking drawing if that's the effect you are looking for. That really is the only change, either selecting ACAD or monochrome. And you can explore the different options and see what they look like. Again, as we move on in the tutorial, as it becomes necessary, I will make note of all of the options.